moving more is a key part of a healthier lifestyle. And the Post Center in Raleigh is empowering children to do just that. Ann Rollins and Caroline Dickerson are here to explain how they are doing it. Welcome, ladies.
Thank you.
First of all, what is the Post Center?
Well, the Post Center is a private, statewide serving nonprofit that serves universal health education to children, youth, and their families, and to empower them for healthy behavior and to get them to move more. So we have a facility in Raleigh that has museum quality exhibitry and our teaching theaters.
Wonderful. So tell me about this physical activity and nutrition campaign you're promoting right now.
Well, right now we're working on a physical activity and social marketing campaign. It's funded by the USDA through SNAP Ed, and we're using Facebook, television, and radio to advertise our Move More message in 6 counties in North Carolina.
Okay. Tell me about those 6 counties that you're trying to reach.
We're targeting Halifax, Sampson, Warren, Columbus, Bladen, and Eastern Wake County.
Okay. And those are mostly to the east. Why those counties?
Well, we just have connections with these counties, and so it's easier to be able to do our focus groups that we've been conducting, and it's easier to be able to go into these counties and talk to the community about the needs of the community.
Gotcha. How much exercise does a child need a day?
For children and adolescents, it's recommended they get 60 minutes of exercise every day, and they probably are already reaching that just by being so active.
Right, right. How about adults?
Adults should aim for about 2.5 hours each week.
Wonderful.
Yes.
And we don't have to do it all at once. There's lots of different ways to get the exercise in, isn't it?
Yeah, there's lots of different ways. You can break it up into 10-minute segments throughout the day or throughout the week. Everyone has a different schedule. You can get your heart pumping by walking, which is my favorite exercise. Jogging around the neighborhood and playing with the kids is definitely exercise. I'm sure many would agree with that.
Yeah. And tell me about this Playwell Park in Wake County.
So we have a one-of-a-kind health-focused playground. It's ADA compliant. We've added in the last 3 years a Poe and Grow garden. So we incorporate that into the teaching that our health educators provide in nutrition and physical activity. So when children and groups come and do sessions with us, they can go to the Playwell Park and enhance their experience because all of the equipment is health focused, and they can actually taste and see vegetables and fruits growing.
That is wonderful. How can the community get involved with the Post Center?
Well, this year's the biggest milestone yet for the Post Center. We've provided health education to over 1 million participants.
That's wonderful.
And we're formally celebrating at our annual meeting on September 25th. We hope you'll join us.
Yeah.
We're going to have Brad Wilson, the CEO at Blue Cross Blue Shield in North Carolina, as our keynote, and we'll be celebrating in some special ways that milestone for the Post Center.
What about volunteer opportunities?
We are, as we talked about the Poe and Grow garden, certainly we need volunteers for weeding and planting and producing, but also the whole playground and the mulching and our facility. So we have many organizations and businesses and volunteers and interns all year long.
Well, Caroline, we talk about why, that we need to move more, but can you tell us why it's so important? I know kids are, they may hear this message and I don't really get it. What's the benefit?
It keeps your heart strong.
Yeah.
So that's what we tell kids. It makes your heart strong and healthy. You don't want a weak heart. You want to stay active and, don't be sitting around as much. Get out and move and enjoy being outside.
If you have to play your video game, maybe go play it outside and walk as you do it. Get some sun on you. Ladies, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having
so
us.
much.
We'll be right back.